My name is Jeremy Hughes, installing windows since 1996, about 18 years. Installation is the most important key. It has to be installed correctly. The screws have to be put in correctly. Has to be plumb, level, square. These Simonton windows actually won't even operate if they're not installed correctly.
Hi, my name is Tim Kern. I work with Hometown Contractors. I've been installing for approximately right at a year after I retired out of the military. So I take a lot of pride and time in doing what it is that I do to make sure that our customers are happy.
The installation crew was fantastic. They came in on time in the morning, right when they said they'd be here. They immediately went to work, no lollygagging or going around or anything. They went right to work. They identified a few things that also we could correct while they had the old tub out of there, and that was very helpful.
Well, both of them, they were outstanding, but they did a very, very fine job. Nothing but professionals. When they came in, you know, from start to finish, you know, they cleaned everything up, and even went and, you know, did a little bit extra, you know. They went and really did an outstanding job.